Imagine you sent money to the wrong person, or perhaps you accidentally sent too much. What do you do then? How can you recover your hard-earned cash? Paysend is a popular international money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends and family around the globe. While it's a convenient and efficient way to transfer funds, there might be times when you need to reverse a transaction. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of returning money from Paysend. We'll cover different scenarios and provide step-by-step instructions to help you get your money back. Understanding the refund process. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand that the refund process might vary depending on a few factors. Reason for the refund: whether you sent the money to the wrong person, encountered technical issues, or have other valid reasons. Time elapsed: the sooner you request a refund, the easier it might be. Paysend's terms and conditions: always refer to Paysend's guidelines for specific rules and regulations. Scenario 1: sent money to the wrong person. If you accidentally sent money to the wrong recipient, here's what you should do. Contact Paysend support immediately. Reach out to Paysend's customer support team as soon as possible. Provide them with the transaction details, including the recipient's information and the reason for the incorrect transfer. Provide evidence. If possible, gather any evidence that supports your claim, such as screenshots or messages. This can help expedite the refund process. Cooperate with Paysend. Follow the instructions provided by Paysend's support team. They might request additional information or ask you to complete certain forms. Scenario 2: technical issues or delays. In cases where the money transfer was delayed or encountered technical problems, you can follow these steps. Check your account. Verify if the transaction has been completed or if there are any pending issues. Contact Paysend support. If the problem persists, reach out to Paysend's customer support and explain the situation. Provide them with the transaction ID and any relevant details. Request a refund. If the issue cannot be resolved, request a refund. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation. Scenario 3: other valid reasons. If you have other valid reasons for requesting a refund, such as fraud or a dispute with the recipient, here's what you can do. Gather evidence. Collect any evidence that supports your claim, such as police reports or legal documents. Contact Paysend support. Explain the situation to Paysend's customer support team and provide the necessary documentation. Follow Paysend's guidelines. Adhere to Paysend's specific guidelines for handling disputes and refunds. Tips for a successful refund. Act promptly. The sooner you report the issue, the better your chances of a successful refund. Provide clear information. Be specific and provide all the relevant details to Paysend's support team. Be patient. The refund process might take some time, so be patient and follow up if necessary. Returning money from Paysend might seem daunting, but by following the steps outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of a successful refund. Remember to act promptly, provide clear information, and be patient throughout the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.